Hello students, welcome back to CLARI Concepts, Unleashing Conceptual Learning. Today in this lecture, we will be talking about the stream functions and potential functions for the uniform and free vortex flows. So we have two different flows, uniform and free vortex flows, and for both of them we are going to talk about the what is stream function, what is the potential function. Okay, so let us focus about the firstly we will talk about both of these functions, stream and potential, for the uniform flows. So let us say I have a uniform flow flowing along the purely x direction, okay, and the flow velocity is, since it is uniform, it means what? At each and every point the flow has same velocity. So I should say that if it is in totally horizontal, so if I mark point A and if I found velocity vector at point A, I am getting it is, let's say, u comma 0, where capital U is the component of velocity along x and there is no flow along y, therefore it is 0. And the same velocity vector will be everywhere because it is uniform flow. So you take any point, let's say B, and if you find out the velocity vector at point B, you will get the same velocity values, u comma 0. That means this is the flow where flow field is like this, V is equals to ui plus 0j. That means your small u is equals to constant capital U and your small v is equals to 0. Now you are supposed to find out stream function and potential function. So firstly we will talk about the stream function, let's say. Let me find out stream function for this flow. Stream function psi. We know that differentiating, if I want u, I will differentiate stream function with respect to y. And if I want v, I will differentiate stream function with respect to x, but negative of this. Either of that side you can put negative sign, right? Now you know what is u. U is capital U as it is. This is del psi by del y. What is v? It is 0. So 0 equals to del psi by del x.